Welcome back to and this guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to present a PowerPoint only on one monitor. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Microsoft PowerPoint, click the Create One option, and from here just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, presenting a PowerPoint only on one monitor can be necessary. For example, if there's only one monitor available, whether it be for some technical limitations or space constraints, presenting on one monitor is the only option, and depending on the setup, projecting onto multiple monitors might not provide an optimal viewing experience for the audience. Now, presenting on one monitor ensures everyone can clearly see the content without straining. Now, from here, the next step that you should do is... Now, I am using the PowerPoint Online, the web version, and let me tell you that you can't use the presentation only on one monitor in this setup. Even if you click on the present, there's no option for you to be able to show it only on one monitor. What you can do is to use the Microsoft PowerPoint app, all right, which I am going to switch over now. Now, as you can see, once you are here on the PowerPoint Windows application, all I have to do is hover to the slideshow right here, and you see the options here: resolution, show on primary monitor, and you can use a specific monitor of your choosing or liking. You can use the primary monitor, you can use the monitor 2, or click on the user presenter viewer. And now once you click the use presenter view, when you press Ctrl plus F5, what will happen is you would be able to broadcast the slideshow to remote viewers who can watch in a web browser, right? This is one of the advanced features for PowerPoint nowadays, and all you have to do is click on Start Broadcast. But if you wanted to change the broadcast service, that's okay. And all I have to do is click on Start Broadcast, and you would be able to do that. All right, you can add a new service if you wanted, but basically that's how you use the one monitor when presenting to your viewers here in Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.